In yesterday's analysis for crude oil, in both the analysis, that is the Asia session and US session, I asked you to remain long above 75.2 and the target is still towards 78 and it has achieved 78. I hope you must have profited strongly, and at the same time it failed to breach the downside support also, that is most important. Now on the other hand, NG has given a good swing. We expected a second red candle. It went till towards 3.3 and below levels, and since then it is traded, it is reversed and now trying to close the day, close the candle in a doji. Now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the next updates. The next analysis on crude oil will be released before the US session, so do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into crude oil WTI, followed with natural gas. Now look at the hourly charts for oil. See, I told you yesterday many a time that 78 is a very very good resistance, and 78-77 zone it needs to sustain in order to trade bullish. Now it is perfectly getting the resistance here at 78 and trying to reverse from here, possibly see reversal indications, symmetrical formation. And yes, once it drops below 77.4, you can expect that first target below 77.4 is 77, and once it achieves 77, see what did I say yesterday? 77, 76.5, 76, and then 75.2, 75 zone. Till here, it has got very, very good support on the downside. And once it drops below 75 levels, that is the time below which you can consider that it is. See, another observation which I would like to share here is, see, oil's formation here, higher lows are consistently seen, and if you connect the dots, higher highs are seen. So this is what it is trying to trade. In the bottom of this channel is now at 75, 75.2. So only and only if it trades below 75, 74.8, you can expect further bearishness, and then you can expect that it is going to give a breakout here on the downside, and this time the breakout can be sharp enough. Directional movement here is bullish, stochastic dropping from the overbought zone. MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell, and RSI was overbought, now looking downwards on the hourly charts. Now look at the 2-hour chart, similar observation and similar formation, nothing different, nothing extraordinary. We expected it to trade in this range, and now it is getting the resistance precisely here. You can sell at 77.4, first 76.5, 76, these two levels to be taken, and then I will wait for it to break past 75 and 74.5 levels, because below which it is going to crash tremendously and sharply. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD bullish trying to converge, RSI overbought. So everything is overbought here in the 2-hour charts. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, similar formation is here on the 3-hour charts. However, higher highs, higher lows. So once it breaks below the zone, possibly 6.9, 77 zone, and then 76.5. If these two are taken, you can expect 75.8, 75 levels, and below which you can expect further drop till towards 74. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD bullish trying to converge, RSI trading near to the highs. Now look at the 4-hour charts here. On the 4-hour charts, after giving a reversal indication, we talked about it in our yesterday's analysis, and since then it has reversed sharply, achieved 78, now trying to reverse again possibly. Now we have to wait for it to breach past 75 in order to trade bearish. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI trading near to the highs. Now look at the daily chart. See, we had seen this oil taking the support at 74. We talked about this lower highs, lower lows, and then this breakout here. So yes, this is an expanding triangle in which it is trying to trade. And if you just connect the bottom there, you will observe that 74, 75 is the zone which you should watch out for. Also look here, see, lower highs are observed and higher lows are getting observed. So this is trying to trade in this consolidation zone. Possibly, even if it tries to give a bullish move today, it needs to break past 81-82 zone in order to confirm a reversal till towards 84-85. So once it breaks past 81-82, that is the point beyond which you can expect more bullishness. And in fact, you can buy at 78.2 itself, beyond which you can expect 79.2, 80 levels, and beyond that further bullishness might take it till towards 81, 81.5, 82 zone today itself. That is first part. Second is below 77.4. you can sell, expect 77, 76.5, 76, 75.5, 75 till 75, very good support, and below that 74.5 and 74, every half a dollar there is a support for oil, and 77, 74 levels, if it breaches it is going to crash further. You should wait and watch in between 81 and, rather I'll say 82 and 74 zone. This is a consolidation zone and it needs to come out of this zone in order to give a direction, and hence you should trade cautiously in between these levels. Now also remember, this is the first bigger green candle. Possibly we can see a second green candle achieving double top there, 82, 83 levels. 82 levels can be seen there. Directional movement bearish, trying to crossover. Stochastic rising from the bottom. MACD trying to converge, crossover for the bullish move, and RSI rising too. Considering this, you can buy at 78.2 and sell at 77.4. On the downside till 74, be cautious. On the upside till 81, 82, be cautious. It can show you good swings also, and these are going to be the good resistance and support zone. Yes, you should, if you are trading in this trade zone, you should trade with the trailing stop loss so that you can trade profitably. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at net gas. And yes, before we proceed to the natural gas, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The next batch, that is 19th batch, is going to start on first week of February. Limited seats are available. Reserve your seats now itself so that not to regret later. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at hourly charts for net gas. Now see, these are the hourly charts for net gas. These are the highs, these are the lows. So yes, definitely this is a bearish channel. Once it trades above 3.6, that is the time you can confirm that it is going to again hit 3.8 levels. So we'll wait for it to break past this zone in order to trade bullish. Also, if you look at the hourly chart, see the crater is done, lower highs are done, again trying to retrace, and hence, yes, beyond 3.55 itself you can buy and expect it to rise for 3.6, and once it breaks beyond 3.6, confirm it for 3.8 levels. In fact, we can expect these levels if it trades above 3.6, 3.65 zone. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards, MACD is bullish, trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI looking downwards, indicating loss of strength there. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, lower highs, lower lows are seen. On the upside, 3.8 levels now are going to provide very good resistance there. And hence, at the same time, look at the 2-hour charts. Here is the reversal sign. But yes, see the candle size are small here, and here are the retracement levels. So possibly once it breaks beyond 3.45 here, you can buy again and expect 3.55 level 55 levels again. You can expect 3.6 and then 3.65. Once it breaks beyond this, you can expect 3.8 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic near to overbought, MACD is in green, trying to converge, and RSI looking downwards, showing little weakness. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts, lower highs, lower lows, trying to trade in this. The highs of this channel are done. Also look at the candle size. This is diminishing here. It is taking the support from 3.45 levels, and possibly once the next candle appears, it may try to give it a greener candle like this and possibly take it till towards 3.6, 3.65 levels. Beyond this, because beyond that, certainly 3.8 levels to be seen. On the downside, you should wait for 3.45, 3.4 levels to be breached, because below that only you can expect little more bearishness, and then 3.3, 3.2 levels to be expected. Directional movement bearish, stochastic flat, MACD is in green, RSI is also trading flat near to the bottom. Now if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, certainly there is a resistance there at 3.66, 3.64, and achieving the drop, retracing again, it is trying to take its or continue its next course of or taking its near term course of movement, which is bearish, which is downside. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking up, MACD green, RSI is trying to trade with slight drop. And now look at the daily chart, the most important. See, the new candle here on this chart is yet to start, and it is trying to trade in this. Possibly once it starts and trades below this zone at 3.45, 3.44, specifically below 3.4, you can expect 3.35, and then below that, possibly we can see similar size of candle taking it till towards 3.2 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is near to bottom, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge here, and RSI is oversold. So possibly a good buy entry should be above 3.2 3.55 and a sell entry below 3.44. In between these $1.1, do not take any position, and on the downside 3.4, 3.35, these two levels you should be careful of, because beyond 3.35 further bearishness might in fact take it till towards 7.26 and 7.2 levels. Be careful there. On the upside, above 3.6 you can expect 3.64 and then 3.7 to 3.8 levels to be seen. Beyond 3.8 further bullishness might take it till towards 3.92 and $4 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and join my mentorship batch if you want to learn the art of trading. Reach out to me for more details. Telegram and email IDs mentioned in the channel and video description. Just scroll down and you'll find the links there. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.